Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this amazing headband. Before we proceed, please do not forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel so we can see more beautiful craft videos like this. Starting with this chiffon material, I cut it in a measurement of 3 inches by 42 inches. So what I did was to wrap it around this circular paper. So this is like a die, which I use to cut circles out of fabrics. So I'm just folding the whole length of the chiffon fabric, folding the whole length as many times as possible. After which I'm gonna pin the paper on it and cut the exact circular shape of this paper. This is a faster way of cutting as many circles as possible. So now this is the main part. We get to fold our chiffon circles. We get to fold them 2 times and place them neatly in the center of the felt circle. We're going to do this repeatedly as many times as possible. Remember, we're folding twice and then applying as many as would go round the felt circle. So we are done with the first layer of chiffon circles. We're going to do the same thing, but just on the first layer we're going to apply another or place another layer neatly on the boundaries between the felt circles of the first layer. Remember, we won't be cutting perfect circles. It's quite difficult to get perfect circles. So, and our design kind of is a bit jagged. The edges aren't meant to be smooth, so do not stress yourself too much on trying to get a perfect circle. Now we're neatly placing our rhinestone right in the middle. If you have smaller size rhinestones, they would fit perfectly too. But all I had was this large rhinestone. So just the same way we cut out that chiffon fabric, that's exactly how I cut out tulle fabric, making a circle of this size. And now I'm gonna place folding 3 times. As you can see, folding 3 times. First fold in half, then overlap both edges, bringing them towards the center. We're going to neatly place our two folded fabric, circle fabric. We're going to place them neatly, just like we did the chiffon fabric. Guys, please do not forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. This helps me be here and make more videos for you guys to see. So we're done with the first layer, and now we're folding only 2 times, and we're gonna put this as the second layer. Now trimming off the edges that are sticking out from the tool, just to get it to look just to look like it's a full circle. All those edges sticking out, try as much as possible to trim them in. And just as we did the first time, we're going to be applying our rhinestone right in the middle of the tool circle. Now we're working on our elastic band. We're going to first of all seal the edges, because most of these fabrics are woven and could loosen if pulled aggressively. After that, we're going to seal. We're going to attach both edges with glue, with hot glue. If you are not comfortable with using hot glue, you could use fabric glue to attach or seal both edges together. And after this, we're going to be applying or attaching it to one of our tool circle. Okay, our tool circle, we're going to, our tool ribbon, we're going to apply or attach our headband to the tool ribbon, just exactly where we did the joining. All of this is just to secure and make your ribbon stronger. We're going to do exactly the same thing for the other chiffon ribbon or chiffon flower. We're just going to apply some hot glue right in the middle there. That's where we'll be placing the strip, the headband strip. The next thing would be to cover up both flowers at the back, just where we attach the headband to them. We're going to cover them up with felt. All of this is just to seal and make it secure and stronger. The stronger the better. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side, for the two flower. Apply as much glue as possible on all edges, and then seal, and then place it neatly on your flower. Alright guys, this looks like the end of our tutorial, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please do not forget to like and subscribe like these videos and subscribe to my channel so I can be here longer. Thanks for watching.